After the teaser in the early days of December, the Honor V20 is now official. It was just announced in China as Honor V20, with a global launch to follow at an event in Paris, France on January 22. The phone comes with an in-screen punch-hole selfie camera, and a 48MP Sony IMX586 rear shooter that's joined by a 3D TOF sensor at the back. It will be the company's first flagship in 2019. The Honor V20 is built around a 6.4-inch LCD of 1080p resolution, and an unusually tall ratio of 19.25 by 9. The chipset is Kirin 980, which is coupled with either 6 or 8 GB RAM, while the storage options are 128 and 256 GB. Having an LCD panel means there is no under-display fingerprint scanner, there's a conventional one at the back instead. The front panel has a hole for the 25-megapixel selfie shooter, but only the LGP layer was cut, while the OCA/POL color filter array are staying the same. Honor boasted about refining the whole process of manufacturing, so the camera is not physically penetrating the display. The Honor V20 comes with a cool gradient rear panel, with a V that changes colors as the viewing angle changes. The 48-megapixel snapper is huge in size, 1/2-inch CMOS sensor, 0.8 micron pixel, with quad-bare array, that allows pixel binning for HDR 12 megapixels night shots. The 3D TOF sensor, along with the Kirin 980 chipset, enable 3D body shaping, so you can look perfect in your full-height pictures. Honor V20 comes with MUI, and brings all the neat well-known Huawei features like Super Night View Mode, handheld long exposure shots. There is also EIS, and GPU Turbo 2.0 comes out of the box. The Honor V20 supports Huawei's desktop mode, so it can also be used as a desktop PC replacement when connected to a monitor, keyboard and a mouse. It supports dual-frequency GPS positioning, as well as a triple Wi-Fi antenna. Battery is 4000 mAh, and comes with the 22.5 watts supercharge support, 4.5 volts 5 amperes. It should fill the power cell up to 55% in 30 minutes, or to the top for an hour and a half, since this is how the Huawei Mate 20 performed, with the same power setup in our tests. Honor V20 is arriving in 3 colors, red, blue, and black. The 6 and 128 GB variant costs 2,999 Chinese yuan or $435, while the 8 and 128 GB option is 3,499 Chinese yuan or $510. The Machino's version comes with 8 GB RAM, and 256 GB storage, and costs 3,999 Chinese yuan or $580, but it does not have the fancy black panel. Sales in China begin on December 28, while international availability and pricing will be revealed on January 22.